Kolter homes. Homes that are built around you. The Madison floor plan is a great example of unique personalization options designed for today's active adults. It is not uncommon for parents or older relatives to visit for extended periods or live with you. Understanding this, the Madison plan's in-law suite option allows you to convert bedroom 2 and the flex space into a private living area. Here's what it looks like with a bedroom suite. Full bath, in-law living area, and entry off the foyer. With this option, you also get an additional powder room for guests. Another option that allows you to add more living area is a second floor bonus room that you can have built in two different ways. The first option is an open, versatile space to use as an office, media area, home gym, hobby studio, or simply for more storage. The second bonus room layout includes a full bath and closet that can serve as an additional bedroom or playroom for the grandkids or adults. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.